Hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank the organizer for giving me a chance to present my work at this Conflu 2021 conference. So I am Vishwajit Chawda here, PhD student under the guidance of Dr. Sanjay Kumar sir at the Applied Chemistry Department, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. So today I am presenting about the synthesis of graphene oxide using deputatic solvent, a greener approach. So let's start with some basic concept. What is graphene? How graphene discovered. So let me tell you one story. On 5th October 2010, 6-year-old kindergartner took out his pencil and started writing on a piece of paper. He did not realize that he was using a material that got the attention of all scientific community that same day. The Nobel Prize in Physics 2010 was awarded to Andrei Gimi and Konstantin Novoselov for groundbreaking experiment regarding the two-dimensional material graphene, a layer of graphite in the pencil. Graphene, one of the all allotropes of elemental carbon, is a planar monolayer of carbon atoms arranged into a two-dimensional honeycomb lattice with a carbon-carbon bond. The term of graphene was recommended by the relevant IUPAC Commission replaced the older term graphite layers that was unsuitable in the research of single carbon layer structure because 3D stacking structure is identified as a graphite. The recent definition of graphene can be given as a 2D monolayer of carbon atoms, which is the basic building block of graphite materials like fullerene nanotube and graphite. The second material we take is deputatic solvent which we can call the reline. So what is deputatic solvents? Deputatic solvents are eutectic mixture characterized by a large dispersion of melting temperature of the mixture at the eutectic point relative to the melting temperature of the pure components. In this deputatic solvents contain large nanosymmetric ions that have low lattice energy and hence low melting point. They are usually obtained by the exchange of hydrogen bonds between hydrogen bond acceptor, which is choline chloride, and hydrogen bond donor, which is urea. So let's go to the synthesis part. So first we prepare reline. So for reline preparation, we take choline chloride and urea in the ratio of 1:2. We mix this mixture and at 80 Celsius, so we get a reline mixture. So we take this reline mixture to synthesize graphene oxide. So for graphene oxide, we take this reline and graphite powder and we add KMnO4 in it. And after 2 hours stirring at room temperature, brown color solution was observed that indicates that graphene oxide is successfully prepared. So after we filter the solution and this mixture is washed with ethanol and water. So we get a black color powder is graphene oxide. So we successfully characterize graphene oxide by these techniques like IR, Raman and XRD. As you can see, IR data shows a very good results and also Raman and XRD data also confirm that our compound is successfully formed. So from this data, we conclude that we synthesize graphene oxide by green solvent, which replaces hazardous sulfuric acid from the synthetic route. Furthermore, we bind graphene oxide with metal oxide to prepare nanocomposites, and these prepared nanocomposites will further modified with surfactants, which can be used in several applications like dye adsorption, drug delivery, to remove impurities from contaminated water and etc. So last in the last I would like to acknowledge and thankful to government of Gujarat for awarding a Sodh Fellowship. And the head of Applied Chemistry Department, the Faculty of Technology and Engineering, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda is also grateful to acknowledge for research facilities. Thank you so much for your kind attention.